56 ou 57.
How much?
Somebody has a large one?
60, all of them are 60.
How much it is?
60.
What is the size? 58.
Huh?
Too big for you.
No, you can have it. It's yours.
Okay.
We deploy in the same time Tuesday morning Kosovo-wide, and we start implementing the mission, maybe with a different rhythm depending the cooperation and the contribution of the population. And in some place maybe we need a little bit more time to explain, to convince, to forward the good messages, and to keep everybody on board in order to be efficient. I can use some executive power, but I would like to stress the fact that I will mainly focus on this monitoring, mentoring, advising part of the mission, and to push the local institution to be sure that it can be responsible and they really take the responsibilities. But if needed, in case of difficult situation or difficult case, I am ready to use this executive power if needed, at the last extremity, if I can say.
Misioni i ULEX-it është që të na mbështes dhe të na monitoroj në zbatimin e ligjeve dhe në zbatimin e kushtetutës e cila është miratuar në frymën e Pakos së Ahtisarit. Është një proces, po them, i përbashkët me synime dhe me vlera të përbashkëta vendore evropiane. Prandaj ndryshimet do të jenë të dukshme, ndryshimet do të jenë shumë më të mëdha se çka kanë qenë për vite me radhë.